Hey guys, it's me, Kayla Patrice. If you're new, well, now you know me. And if you're returning, then hey, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this like everyday makeup, or if you like trying to go somewhere and you don't have enough time to do the makeup look you really want to do, this is something you can do. So yeah, ignore my scarf and my broken nail in this video. I was gonna go get it fixed today, but I just don't feel like it, so whatever. But if y'all want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. Alright guys, so I've already done my brows, and if y'all want to know how I get my brows like this, then I'll insert a card right here with my brow tutorial, so you can just click there if you want to know how I got these brows. So for face primer, I'm going to go in and use my MAC Skin Visage and my sleek Barekissed Illuminator in the shade Forever in Florence. And for foundation, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I used this in my last video and I said that it was really matte. So I'm going to take a different approach today and apply it with a beauty sponge and use some beauty oil as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some MAC Prep and Prime Essential Oil. And to blend that out, I'm going to use my Real Techniques sponge. Okay, so I do like it a lot better now, but when I applied it with the brush and no oil, oh my gosh, y'all, it was so like drying. And I don't know if it was maybe because my face was like kind of dry already, like that could have been it, but it was so drying and I was just like, oh my gosh. It looked dry, like you could tell it was dry. Oh my gosh, it looks 100% better. Like it looks so much better. And then for concealer, I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And I'm going to also bring the concealer over the top of my eyelids because I'm doing like a little bit of shadow, but not like much, like just so we have somewhat of a base. So to contour, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C15. Then I'm just going to go back in with the Real Techniques sponge that I used to blend my foundation out and blend out the contour. Okay, so to set the under eye, I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the shade Terracotta. This is my first time trying this shade, so hopefully it's not like too dark for me. Okay, so it's not bad. I probably shouldn't have applied it with the sponge. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's not like horrible, but next time I think I'm gonna just use a brush to apply it. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use my MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in the shade Dark Tan and my Morphe M439 brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my highlighter, and the highlighter I'm gonna be using is my WetnWild Mega Glow in Crown of my Canopy. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and spray some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist on my face. So to apply my highlight, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe R36 brush. Alright, so now that I have the highlighter on, I'm going to go in and spray my face again with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and do our slight little eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with MAC's Uninterrupted eyeshadow on my Morphe M505 brush, and I'm literally just going to throw it in the crease. Like, no rhyme or rhythm to it, just throw it in the crease. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take my sponge again and go over it, because I want it to be like very faint, like barely anything there. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my MAC Dazzle shadow, and I'm using Beam Time. And I'm just going to apply that on my lid. So you have to be careful with these, because if you put too much, it can mix with your base, and you don't want that. So you want to just like tap it on. And then for the inner corner, I'm going to go back in with the Wet n Wild highlighter and a BH Cosmetics 132 brush, which is basically like a pencil brush, and I'm going to put this in the inner corner. So honestly, when I do this look, whatever highlighter I put on my face is just the highlighter that I put in the inner corner. So for top and bottom mascara, I'm gonna go in with MAC's Extended Play Lash in Endlessly Black. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes off camera, but the lashes that I will be using are KrisAlexCosmetics lashes in the style Dick Appointment. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply those, and then I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so I got my lashes on. Like, these lashes are so bomb. I love these lashes. These are like my favorite lashes. Check out KrisAlexCosmetics.com because these lashes are so amazing. So now we're gonna get to the part that I'm super duper excited about, and that is this Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in the shade Uncuffed. I'm super excited to try this. So I'm just gonna blot off the Carmex that I had on my lips. Alright, I'm gonna shake it and then I'm gonna apply it. I'm so excited. Oh my god, if I can open it. There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. And there goes my daughter. Gosh, she just woke up. Alright y'all, so like I was saying, we got to get down to this Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint and Uncuffed. So let's see what the hype is about and if it's real. Let's see. Ooh, I'm scared. Ooh, I think I like it. Seriously, what the heck? I'm gonna have to like block this when it dries because it's like all over my teeth. So I'm gonna wait for it to dry before I say that this might be like my all-time favorite color, and I might be wearing this every day. Alright y'all, so I love this freaking color. Like, this color is so pretty with this look. Yeah, probably will be wearing this every day. I love this color. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. So if y'all liked it, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you do subscribe, make sure you click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.